Good morning. It is our second to last day in Puerto Vallarta. We've done a lot, and there's a lot we didn't even show you on this trip. But yesterday we did the ATV riding, and well, we did a UTV with our friends. Now we are in a different part of Puerto Vallarta. It's like kind of like downtown, you know. And we're going to get some food, of course. Today's Christina's birthday, so we're gonna do some activities that she wants to do. Yeah, we're gonna explore a little bit of downtown and maybe a little bit outside of downtown too.
According to Google Maps, this is a cultural center. Obviously nothing's happening right now, but you can see the potential. Look at the beautiful backdrop. It's very pretty. We have decided to walk to Quale Island to spend my birthday with the creatures that I love so dearly, which are cats. So apparently this is also known to local as Cat Island because there's tons of cats here. And I already see 3 cats, and I'm really excited. Let's see. Hi, cutie. Hi, I can't pet you because I'm not gonna ditch you, but you're so pretty. Hi. 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 Oh, you crying? If you keep walking through Cat Island, you'll run into this flea market. So you need a little shopping in. I'm looking for something very particular. When we've been eating out, they've been bringing the salsa and it's like this 3 little bowls, and it looks like homemade, like ceramic maybe, or like clay. And they put like the guac in one, or like 2 salsas, and then the chips in one. So I really want one. I think yesterday, this is the animal we saw, we couldn't figure out what it is. It's a badger. There's like an anteater. Huge markets.
Okay, we're at Lázaro Cárdenas Park. We've walked all through the market, and now we're at this park. We didn't really plan on going here, so just gonna look around, see what's up. So Luis Reyes Brambilla, I could be wrong because I don't know Spanish well. He's a promoter of Puerto Vallarta, and he was involved in education and culture. Those last 2 things I'm sure about. Promoter could mean something else.
We are at Mar y Vino, which is this ocean front restaurant where you're like sitting in the water, so it makes it really cool, as in not hot. Seafood restaurant's really good. We got these drinks called Mar y Vino. It's kind of like sangria, like a red sangria, in these cool conch shells. So this is my birthday lunch, and then of course I have to have a birthday dinner, which will also be near the water. I'm excited to try the food. I got tuna sashimi. I got tuna sashimi and the octopus. When octopus is on the menu, I always get it because I have not learned how to make it myself.
I got the shrimp al gusto. I got garlic shrimp. Just means shrimp how you like it.
Yeah, so I hope that it is delicious, but we haven't eaten anything today, so I'm sure it will be. So you can parasail here. I'm trying to convince Sean to do it, but he refuses. What can we do? Like, do we need like 5,000 subscribers, 1,000 likes on this video, 1,000 views?
We get 10,000 subscribers, I'll do it.
Oh my God, no. What should?
8,500 subscribers.
Whatever. Would you parasail? Comment below. What is it?
It's a donkey. Oh, I guess you could like sit down.
Hey, let me take a picture.
We're best friends. We're having a drink together. I make the same age.
Whew, gotta walk off the fullness of that delicious meal. So we're walking down along the Malecon. So it's like beach on one side, shops and hotels or Airbnbs or condos on the other side. Where's Sean go? What are you doing? Oh well. The seagull's getting a little bath in. Here.
We got mango and passion fruit ice cream. It was 50 pesos, which is like $1.50. No, sorry, $2.50.
But not like really cheap. Good.
We are leaving this area, this part of downtown. What is it called? Malecon.
Yeah.
We're going back to the Oasis and we're gonna relax because it's Christina's birthday and we're gonna do whatever Christina wants. Yeah, but overall it's like, this is a nice place to go for a little walk. A lot of shops to go and shop at and a lot of different things that you could buy. And yeah, then there's like some nice like little photo ops over here that you can take. Oh, the restaurant was cool. The restaurant was cool. I liked the big drink. I liked the what was it? The Mari Vino? Yeah, I like the Mari Vino. And yeah, the seafood was good, even though I'm not like a big seafood guy. So yeah, octopus and shrimp. It was good. Definitely glad we didn't get the seafood platter. Cheers. Happy birthday. Hola.
Did you get the marie?
It's a jaguar. Ooh.
Rhythms of the Night, which is like this, I don't even know how to describe it, but like a show and a dinner, obviously the boat ride. And to see all like the characters. There was a mermaid, an angel, some type of tree person, people playing music, some type of, was it a cricket?
I don't know.
Anyways, so we paid for VIP, so that means we got like priority entrance on the boat, and we got front row show tickets because your girl can't see, so she needs to be in the front. And then I think we get priority dinner too. So, anyways, I think the show's about to start. It is mad crowded, so if you don't like crowds, but so far so good.
Welcome to the jungle! Welcome to my home! To you! Happy birthday! Enough! I have a show to do, I'm sorry.
So like we said before, this is the Rhythm of the Night show, and I highly recommend going to see it for yourself. You can see here there's a lot of like elaborate props, and there's some big dance routines and some like acrobatic feats and shows of flexibility. There's a story that goes throughout this that I'm not going to give away, but it's like very interesting and yeah, and it's just very entertaining. I highly recommend you go see it for yourself. I don't want to show too much of this. Some of the things that these performers are doing are just like kind of meant for like shock value, so we don't want to diminish that at all. But we're just giving you a little taste of what's going on here. There's even some crowd interactivity.
There! No! Daniel is there! She loves you! Daniel, I'm sorry. First time in Mexico.
I highly recommend the Rhythm of the Night show. And after the Rhythm of the Night show, we had a lovely dinner that we're not showing here, but we got on the boat afterwards, and Christina got up and started dancing because it is her birthday and I can't dance. So she got up there and she was dancing with the crew. We had a great boat crew who did like a lot of performances, and like they really kept us entertained on the way back. And it was overall just a great time. So I highly recommend you try out this boat tour. We'll put a link in the description. So that's it for today's video, and I'll let Past Us sign this one out. All right, that's it for today's video.
We are about to head to the airport, and we are leaving Mexico.
All right, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.